Hello again, loves. Rebecca here, and we are back with the last 4 page kits from the Color Rush. These may already have been used because this is going to go up well after I go to the crops. So this is for 23, and I should have put page kit, but I wrote layout. So this is very fun. We've got some fussy cut stuff. I want to use this star sticker. I pulled in these two. And we've got some of my girls walking through the tunnel. And all of these fun stickers. So we went very pink on all my embellishments and some orange. So as you can see, we've even got some random diamonds in there. So usually what I take is I'm just going to take all of this stuff and I'll take some sequin mixes, a little bit of mixed media for some splattering, and then some random neutral enamel dots. So you know how it is. When you're seeing this, in fact I might be in Germany. I'm not real sure when this goes up. So wish me a safe trip, and I cannot wait to take photos. It's a work trip, so not going to be a lot of play, but I mean we are going to make the most of it while we're there. So this, I pulled all the orange, yellow, and pink that was left. I'm going to fussy cut some of this. We've got this for my stickers, some matting, never know, a few orange bits. I know it says 3, but I usually just like boop. Yes, you can, and so nice, 2 different titles. So I got Me with the Flower. I thought that just really brought a lot of stuff out. Some more stickers. Jamie and her mom, pretty much in the same place, but we've got this to mat or cut butterflies, some puffies. Gonna sneeze. Bless me. Yes, I hope my snooze is in. Some orange, more for matting, so I can trim those down. I don't know, but I want to use it. And then, you know, in the moment. So there's another one. Let's see. It's been a lot of fun putting these together. I'm so glad that, so I was inspired to do this by She's Crafty, Shannon Aller. She's my friend, she's my pal, and I was watching her put some together, and I was like, oh, I want to do that for her. It's for her Nifty 50. And then also Nicole Jones is always putting together page kits, so I think that is just super fabulous. And I thought this is a very good way to use up some of these layouts or collections that I have. My husband just walked in case you guys hear anything. So here's the papers that I have. I've got some chipboard. It's pink. I think I'm going to take that off. We've got all kinds of fun teals in this one. Looks like I was just trying to really use it up. Do some matting or something. I've got that green. Some puffies. We've got Today, You This. Yours, Good Friends, and then here are the photos that I want to do. Whoa. Okay. And then we have one more. Hopefully him or the dogs don't start talking, and I can get this finished filming. And then the last one for the Vicki Boutin Color Rush is this right here, and you notice these were a lot bigger, but I have a full, and I have washies and stuff like that that I just will have sitting with me while I'm going through it. So we've got these, and here's the stickers. This is like basically what I had left over in the collection. As you can see, all kinds of fun stuff. A few of those fell off and are stuck on James' face. And then I did just stick the alphas. So I think this was 2 collections that I combined as one. and the leftover puffies. So, and I will just carry these forward. Now I know you can't see anything in that, but that is me, Jamie, and CJ, and Vicky is back there. We're in a very fun lighted house. So, and here are the smaller papers that I pulled, but I'm just going to filter them through. Even if it's a different collection, they're all going to go in my leftover pile, so that as I'm working my way through, and I feel like I can, well, you know what, I have one more 12 by 12 and some scraps. Let me make another page out of the kit. I'll just pull stuff from other collections that I have left over. And that's going to do it. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.